Hi, good morning. This is your chef Prakkash. How are you all? And today I select the topic is the side effect of mayonnaise sauce. Nowadays we are mostly taking the junk foods like burger, pizza, whatever it is. We are always be in touch with mayonnaise, especially for the growing kids. They are more intake of mayonnaise is going on nowadays. So last night, one of my friend texted me through WhatsApp and he asked me what are the benefits and what are the side effects of mayonnaise sauce, because his son is always asking for the mayonnaise sauce. And when his breakfast he taking the bread with mayonnaise, and evening again with the bread with the mayonnaise, like that he keep on continue this one. So he asked me to put the video regarding the side effects of mayonnaise. As per his request, I make this video. It's not only for him, for everyone. So you all people must know what are the side effects in the mayonnaise. The mayonnaise contain more sodium. It's increase your high blood pressure and it leads to heart attack and stroke. And the mayonnaise, which when you are using, you have to be used very little. 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise contain 100 calorie. So really, if you are intaking mayonnaise in your daily diet, it gives you a weight gain and leads to the obesity. If you intake mayonnaise daily, it's give type 2 of diabetics. So as per the study, mayonnaise is not a good product we are using in our food. So kindly try to avoid these things because it's contain more in sodium. So avoid your children's also to use the mayonnaise more. If weekly once or twice it's okay, but in regularly we are taking this one, it's not good for your health. And for above 30 years, no need to touch the mayonnaise, because after 30 years we have facing a lot of health issues, diabetics, blood pressure, like that. So mayonnaise have the high in sodium. So please try to avoid this and try to be healthy, and kindly share this video to your family and friends. Maybe someone will don't know about the mayonnaise, what are the risks in mayonnaise. It will help for them. Keep supporting me and have a good day. God bless you. Thank you.